How to fix Instagram couldn't change the photo. Hello guys, so to fix this problem is very easy, or what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone. This is the settings as you can see. Go to the apps manager and then go to the apps again. From here go to Instagram. Now or what you have to do here is simple. Just go to this data usage. Scroll down, make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and the background data and also the roaming data. That's very important. So after that, go back, click on this option right here in the top. It's called force stop, and then all what you have to do now is very simple. Go back to the home page and go to the Play Store and search for Instagram to check if you have the last version of Instagram. If you don't have it, then